today I have is culture war against the church, or the gates of hell have opened up. Wow, that sounds like a very stirring message, doesn't it? So how it came about is as I was praying, I had two visions to start with. One was a vision of the gates of hell opening up and flies flying out of it like demonic entities. And the next vision I had was of the mythical Pandora's box and that opening up and demonic entities flying out of that, released for the end times. So they weren't very comforting visions, really. But then again, we are in very challenging times today.